Thanksgiving content and chatter over the years that I have created has been a lot. Healthy Thanksgiving keto recipes, your perfect Thanksgiving meal. Here are some notes to a segment. I think this was in 2009 or 10. I mean, first of all, a therapist could probably have a field day with my color-coded notes here. Some of this content is just so old. Cringy. Anyway, yeah, there's been a lot of Thanksgiving chatter over the years. So after all these years, there's a few things that are just tried and true. Whether you want to feel amazing and have great energy, whether you don't want to derail yourself from whatever healthy eating plan you're on, and you want to enjoy your holiday, here's all you got to do. Get up and move in the morning. Move, get some fresh air, move your body. You'll feel more motivated. Next, make sure you eat breakfast that is loaded with protein. Don't skip your breakfast, and don't skip lunch if Thanksgiving isn't until dinner time. Make sure to stay hydrated. There's no reason you cannot fill a 32-ounce water bottle and drink it twice to get at least those 64 ounces of water on Thanksgiving Day. Make a conscious indulgence at the meal. Choose what you want to indulge in. Don't eat Sally's pecan pie just because it's there. Eat slow, listen to your body, stop when you're slightly satisfied, and choose the foods that are going to make